guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I just wanted to say thank you so much for getting me to 250 subscribers. I know that's really not that much, but to me it just means so much. It's just like amazing to know that there's 250 of you guys that are constantly watching my videos and just supporting me and everything that I do. So for today's video, I'm actually doing a spring cleaning video. It is officially spring now, as you guys probably know. Because of that, I just really wanted to clean my room and just my whole living area, and I just decided why not take you guys along with me in the process of just cleaning my room. So yeah, alright, that's pretty much all I have to say. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you want to see more videos. Alright, let's just go ahead and get started because we have a lot of cleaning to do today, ladies. Okay, let's go. Alright, so the very first area of my room that I just really needed to clean was my whole vanity area. I literally do my hair and makeup on this vanity every single day, so you guys could just imagine how much dirt and just like musty things accumulates on my vanity. So to kind of clean the surface of it, I actually decided to use the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface everyday cleaner. You guys, this literally smells so good. I actually got mine from Target. It really wasn't that expensive. I honestly could not recommend it enough, and you really only need like a few squirts of it and just a little wipe to wipe it all down, and you're all set to go. The next thing I really had to do was to just wipe down any mirrors that I had. So in my vanity area, of course, I did have a bunch of little mirrors there, but then also the mirror behind me, I use that all the time. And in case you were wondering, I actually got this one from Target. The regular price is actually $50, but I got mine for $30. To wipe down my mirrors, I literally don't even do anything fancy at all. I just use regular Windex and then a little microfiber towel, and I just find that that works perfectly well. I just honestly think it's really important to keep your mirrors clean at pretty much any time of the day. They bring so much light into rooms, especially smaller rooms, and my room, you guys, is not that big at all. And then you just really never know when you're gonna want to take a selfie. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know I'm like constantly taking selfies, so just in case. So another part of my spring cleaning to-do list is just to kind of add more greenery into my room. I actually did go to Trader Joe's a few days ago, and I was kind of just trying to look for cute little daffodils or cute little flowers to put around my room. But yeah, you could just kind of tell that the ones they had were kind of like left behind. So I didn't really want to buy those, but I did have some fake like little flower arrangements that I got from like Home Goods and TJ Maxx, just to kind of spread throughout my room until I could get some cute little real flowers to put around. I don't know if it's just me, but literally when I have flowers around my room, it just makes me like feel more happy, and it just makes me feel more like, oh, spring is actually here, because I know we're still transitioning from winter to spring, and it could sometimes feel like we're still in winter. And Trader Joe's usually does have some pretty cute real flowers, but just the time that I went, they were like out of stock of a lot of them. Maybe a lot of people already got them. I don't know, but I really need to go back and get some cute real ones. Alright, the next thing I just really had to get done for spring is just to really update my letterboard. You guys, I am actually so bad at updating letterboards, and it's funny because I really thought I was gonna be that one girl that like changes it almost like every day with a new quote, and you guys would actually be really surprised, but it is time consuming to just like find a quote and then to find all the little letters for each word and then to just kind of stick it back in. Like, it takes time, not gonna lie. For the spring, I just decided to come up with the quote, bloom and grow. I just thought it was so cute. It definitely does remind me of spring. Just having a cute little letter quote that's inspirational to you in some type of way is so important. If you guys have your own little letter board, which by the way, you could get them at like literally Target or TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I could honestly not be the only one that has not updated theirs in like almost a whole like 3 months or something. It's just really bad. So, and in case you were wondering, my cute little letterboard is actually from TJ Maxx, and I literally got it for like $10. So this next tip is actually going to be just completely different for everybody, but it's basically just to organize any little drawer or just any little thing in general that you know can look way neater than it actually is, but it isn't. Every single person has that one thing or drawer or just like area that could be 100 times neater. But yeah, for me, I just definitely took some time to organize my drawer where I put all of my PJs. This area actually wasn't that hectic at all, but I just really wanted to try rolling my PJs because I really felt like that could bring more room into that one drawer. I did hear that that does save space, and you could never go wrong with having more space. I did try it out and it honestly does work, so I recommend that for little things like PJs or just like underwear. And then the last thing that I did organize specifically was my IKEA rack. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you definitely know that I love my IKEA rack. It's been so handy, and I also got the hangers from IKEA in case you were wondering. But yeah, basically I just hung up clothing that I either want to take pictures in or just some of my favorite clothing arrivals that I have at the moment on my rack. Yeah, if you guys really don't have a rack, I honestly truly recommend it. But yeah, and I actually will have my IKEA rack and my IKEA drawer linked down below just in case you guys wanted to check it out. The very last thing I'm going to be showing in today's spring cleaning video is just me vacuuming my floors. I do have carpet in my room, so I'm just basically going to be vacuuming any open areas in my room. But because this is a spring cleaning video, I'm also going to kind of vacuum areas that I normally don't vacuum. So I'm talking about under furniture that you can move easily. I know personally I actually vacuumed under the lights that I had under my IKEA rack just because I normally really don't vacuum there. You just really never know what little insects or animals or honestly dust or anything else is hiding under your rugs. So I just recommend that you really take some time to like clean it, because I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to be stepping on like any little roaches or invisible things, or just like, I don't do well with bugs, you guys. Like, I literally always call my dad to kill cockroaches. Laugh at me all you want, but those things are freaking disgusting. So I probably sound ridiculous to you guys, but I am not even joking. Like, I wish I was. This does conclude my little spring cleaning video. I just hope that my video really motivated you guys to like deep clean your room and just kind of get rid of things that you may not use anymore. Just remember that your room really does reflect kind of how your life is going. At least for me, I noticed that when my life is like a complete disaster, usually my room does reflect off of that. But yeah, just think of the spring season as a new season to just start fresh. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Subscribe, comment down below. I literally see all of your guys' comments and I really do try to comment back. Follow me on Instagram to stay updated. And yeah, I'll just see you guys very soon.